Hey everyone, it's Marcus here from Remax. We're talking today about the April 2023 market update. The stats just got updated in our system, so I wanted to share a quick insight into some of the numbers that are obviously important for last month and obviously the months prior and even the year prior. So let's take a look at a couple of the areas here. So you can see on my screen, we're looking at the entire Toronto MLS, which is a bit different than what I normally do. I try to focus my energy on the areas that are obviously of interest to people that I work with, which is Toronto, York region, Durham region, Peel region, Halton region, and sort of those areas primarily. So I wanted to just quickly dive into the numbers here so you can see that, this is sort of the overall look and feel of the screen. So I'm just going to start getting into the graphs real quick here. So we are going to share this screen. I'm not sure if you guys see that. So anywho, as you can see, this is April 2023, March 2023 here. We can see this is number of units sold. So this is obviously a good thing in terms of we're seeing the unit count go up to where it was sort of in May of last year. So again, it's along the trend line, I would say. It was sort of underneath, quite low in December and January, but it's obviously ramped up quite significantly since. So obviously it's flattening out and obviously going to be trending downwards in the next month or so, as is usually the cycle. So and you can see sort of a monthly chart here of the numbers, actually units that we've seen specifically. So and then, we're going to just go into the average days on the market. The average days on the market has also trended downwards. As you can see, in April of last year, we had, in May of last year, usually basically at the peak, we were at about 14 days. Obviously, days on the market crept up. It was much, much higher in December, which was, usually a slower month. So it made sense and then kind of held that trend till January. And since then, we've seen a gradual decrease in the number of days on the market down to now 20 days. So again, that's a good indicator that market activity is picking up. Homes are not staying on the market longer, and that's as expected due to the lack of inventory. So again, that's going to continue to trend downwards in the coming months. So next thing we're going to look at really is the average price. Right. The average price obviously is certainly a very critical component of all the conversations I have usually. And you can see price has gone up from March into April by, about $50,000, $52,000 on average, which is a good, about 2%, which is a pretty decent amount of increase. Not significant, but again, 2% every month would equal to about 24% a month. So, quite a jump in just about a month's time. So again, as you can see, that's the trend. We're kind of going up, and up, and I think it's going to continue to grow simply because we haven't seen any real inventory come onto the market. So, and then you'll see historically as well, where the price has sort of trended. As you can see in 2021, 2022. We're sort of reaching that point again where we were at sort of in the middle of the pandemic here, and coming up to that sort of a number here. So let's think of it, maybe a better way to look at it would be a column here. So you can see the prices are fairly in line with 2021, which is again an indicator that market activity is picking up, and we're still higher than the 2020 trend. So on average, the market has trended upwards, quite nicely. So again, those are simply the market stats. And so again, if there's any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to tell you more.